Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable GodMode in Windows 10. Right-click Create New Folder. Copy text from description and paste it. Press Enter key. GodMode folder is successfully created. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.